In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Thrivecart to your course platform, whether that's Kajabi, Teachable, or Skool, so everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to connect each of these, so your buyers get instant access without you needing to lift a finger. Stick around to the end where I'll break down which setup makes the most sense based on your business goals. Before we get into the setup, let's break down what Thrivecart actually is, because a lot of people can get confused about what it can and can't do. So first off, Thrivecart is not a course platform. It doesn't host your content. What it does is give you a high converting checkout system with advanced features that most platforms don't offer. Think of it as your front end sales machine. You use Thrivecart to sell digital products or courses. You can customize your checkout pages. You can offer bump offers and one-click upsells. You also can track affiliate sales and set up automations based on who buys what. So once someone buys, Thrivecart triggers access to your course platform like Kajabi, Teachable, or Skool, using integrations or automation tools like Zapier. It's basically the brain of your sales system, and when it's set up properly, it saves you hours of manual work and helps you make more money. If you want to check out Thrivecart, I've left the link in the description below. So now what happens when you actually connect them? So when you connect Thrivecart to your course platform, a few important things happen. One, customers are automatically enrolled in your course or membership after they buy. You can also tag people and organize them based on what they purchased. You also get full control over the checkout experience. So that includes upsells, downsells, and abandoned cart recovery. You can switch platforms later without redoing your whole sales process. This is a big deal, especially if you plan to scale or sell more than one product. Now let's get into how to actually connect Thrivecart to all these other platforms. So we're going to start off with Kajabi, which is often considered one of the most powerful all-in-one platforms. Kajabi is perfect for entrepreneurs who want one hub to run their entire business. So courses, email, marketing, landing pages, funnels, podcasts, and so much more. It's built for people who want everything under one roof and are ready to scale. So now, how do you actually connect Thrivecart to Kajabi? So first off, you need to have a Thrivecart and a Kajabi account. Once you have both of those, you also want to create a Zapier account where you can add a couple of different zaps. So once you set up your account, you'll come in here and click create, and we'll do an automated workflow. From here, we'll go ahead and select trigger. So we'll do Thrivecart. Then we're going to choose the event. So what you want to do is select product purchase. From here, you'll connect your account. It will ask you to log into your Thrivecart and then the action. So since we want to connect it to Kajabi, we'll select Kajabi, and then you want to choose the event. So is it create a form submission, grant access to an offer? I'm going to assume we want to grant access to an offer. And then you'll want to sign into your Kajabi account as well. And then once you sign in, this is where you'll select the actual course. Once you sign in, you'll be able to select whatever product that is. And then the second step is grant access to an offer. So it will automatically grant access once it's purchased. And then that is pretty much it. All you have to do is click publish, and you also can go ahead and test it out to make sure it works. Now, just to kind of briefly go over who Kajabi is best for, because I think it's very important when we're talking about all these different systems. So Kajabi is best for coaches, course creators, and service providers who want everything in one platform. It's also great for entrepreneurs ready to invest in a premium, scalable system, as well as people who need advanced automations or want to host multiple offers under one brand. If you want to get started with Kajabi and start with the free trial, I've left that link in the description below. So next up, we're talking Teachable, which is more stripped down than Kajabi, but still really powerful for courses and coaching. Teachable is great if you want a simple, distraction-free place to host your course without the bells and whistles. It's easy to use and has a clean student experience. Now, what you'll want to do to connect it is, again, we'll go ahead and click create. We'll go zap. From here, we'll go ahead and select the trigger. So Thrivecart. Okay, and again, we'll choose the event, and I'm going to assume that it is product purchase. Again, you'll want to make sure it's signed in. Once you signed in, you don't have to continue to sign in. And then we'll go to Teachable. From here, we'll click this, choose an event, and it could be create new user, enroll user in course, unenroll student. So again, you can do so much, but we're going to enroll user in course. And then again, you'll want to make sure you're signed in, and then you'll click publish, and you'll want to test it out first, but then you should be good to go. It's a simple setup, but very effective if all you need is an automatic enrollment. You can also set up tagging or add them to your email tool simultaneously. seamlessly. Now, who is Teachable best for? It's best for new course creators who want something simple and user-friendly. It's also great for creators who already use another email platform and don't need all-in-one features. It's also great for people who want a lower monthly price point while still offering a professional product. If you want to check out Teachable, I've left that link in the description for you as well. Now, lastly, let's talk about Skool. So Skool is a little different, and if you haven't used it yet, here's a little bit of a rundown. Skool is part course platform, part community hub. Your content is inside a private community, kind of like a Facebook group without all of the distractions. It's clean and designed for high engagement. So here's how to connect it. So again, we're going to go to Zapier. From the homepage, we'll go ahead and click create. Zap, we'll go ahead and select Thrivecart, choose an event. Again, it will probably be product purchase, and then the action will be Skool, and then we'll select invite member or unlock course for member. All you have to do is test and then click publish. Okay, so who is Skool best for? Skool is best for creators who want to build a tight-knit community alongside their course. It's also great for coaches or mentors running group programs or masterminds. It's also great for people focused on long-term engagement and discussion, not just content delivery. There is a free trial for Skool if you want to go ahead and check them out as well. Now you understand how to connect each of these to Thrivecart. Let's dive into some of the pros and cons of using Thrivecart. So starting off with the pros. First off, it's fully customizable checkout pages that look way better than most native platforms. It's easy to add upsells, bump offers, and coupons. Also, the built-in affiliate tracking is a huge key feature that I don't see in many places. Also, it has a lifetime pricing, which is huge if you plan to sell long-term. So you have a couple options where you can get lifetime access, where you pay a one-time fee of $4.95, or you can pay $2.95 per year. The lifetime account is pretty crazy to only have to pay once and never have to pay again. Especially if you're in this for the long run, this is a huge power move. Another pro is it works pretty much with any course platform. Now, some of the cons. It does require Zapier for some integrations, which honestly, as I just showed you, it's super simple and quick. Also, there's a slight learning curve at first. And another con is it doesn't host your course content. You still need a course platform. That said, I truly believe the pros far outweigh the cons for most creators, especially once your systems are up and running. So, should you use this setup? The truth is, if you want more control over your sales process and a smoother experience for your customers, Thrivecart is one of the smartest tools you can invest in. It gives you everything you need to build a high converting system, custom checkouts, upsells, automations, without being tied to one platform forever. When you combine Thrivecart with a course platform, you get the best of both worlds, a sales engine that runs on autopilot and a delivery system that fits your teaching style. Now, as for the actual course systems, here's what I would recommend. So I would use Kajabi if you want a full business hub, so like email marketing, landing pages, courses, and automations all in one place. It's definitely an investment, but perfect if you're scaling and want everything under one roof. And then for Teachable, I would use it if you're looking for something clean, easy, and to the point. It's great for first-time course creators or anyone who wants a quick and reliable setup. And lastly, use Skool if your focus is on community and coaching, or you want your course content to live inside a highly engaged group setting. No matter which one you choose, pairing it with Thrivecart unlocks more flexibility, higher revenue potential, and you can use Zapier to automate everything that saves you hours of manual admin work. And if you want to check out any of the systems that I talked about in this video, I've left our exclusive links in the description below. Now, once all of your systems are up and running, it's going to be a game changer for your business flow. You'll sell more and spend less time in your inbox and finally have a setup that works behind the scenes. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you.